So I think foldables are the future. What do you think?
Well, the more I think about it, the more it confuses me. But why do you think they are the future?
Well, over the past decade, smartphones have not changed much. Sure, it has become thinner and displays have become bigger, but it's only now that smartphones are seeing the first true transformation with foldable designs. Leading the era of foldable smartphones is of course Samsung, a company that has now released a number of foldable smartphones globally. Its debutante Samsung Galaxy Fold was received very favorably.
Really, Fold 1?
Sure, device had some minor quirks, but the company was quick to fix them and release the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 2. And the second generation device came with significant improvements. An outer display that covered more of the front fascia, an inner display that was far more resistant to abuse. And of course, a re-engineered hinge built for improved durability.
So, is it just Samsung controlling the foldable market?
No, it's not just Samsung that released foldable smartphones. Motorola revived its Razr brand in an all-screen foldable form factor. And while there was a lot of excitement around the resurrection of an era-defining smartphone, Moto is yet to see the same level of success.
Why didn't Samsung made a foldable like Moto Razr?
They made one, and it's called Galaxy Z Flip. Galaxy Z Flip also saw a huge success. Samsung released the Galaxy Z Flip, a smartphone that follows the same foldable design as that of the Razr, albeit in a much thicker body. Yet the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip garnered more favors from fashion-conscious buyers from around the world.
If foldables are so cool, then why is not everyone using them?
Because there are not many foldable smartphones in the market today. We have only Samsung making the most marketable ones, with many other brands having only shown off prototype devices. Foldable smartphones offer an incredibly unique proposition.
Oh really? Tell me how.
The benefits of having a screen size that fits into half the space are numerous. First is of course the fact that it takes up less space in your pocket.
Yeah, and
Second, it makes it much easier to browse the web, read books and do anything else on the phone. Galaxy Z Fold 2 brought a larger screen on the outer side to make it more useful. As of right now there are not many options, I know that. But in a year or two, there will be many foldables to choose from. And then most people will take advantage of them.